Hey guys, found yet another abandoned location, as you guys can see. And look at this place. This is all new. Just to tell you, this is all new to me. Wow. Look at this. Look at the paint. And by the way, guys, thank you for 91 subscribers. That really means a lot to me. Oh yeah, we have a lot to explore. First room is gonna be in here. Very nice. Smells like cigs. Dining room, 316. But look at the hardwood floors. These are immaculate. Oh my god. Holy shit, this house is old. The old flooring. Wow. Look at all those cobwebs. Holy shit. Wow. I'm gonna go extra slow, as you guys know. Huh. Little buckle right there. And yes, this place is getting refurnished for new development. A wallet. But guys, look at the old heater. Wow. Look at that. You don't see that every day. Wow. And keep in mind, guys, this house is big. More hardwood floors. The old ancient styling of the door inserter T thingy. With this kitchen dough. The black wasn't that bad. This is the bathroom. Tub. Sink. Sparkly light. Les bonjour. Oui, oui. Wow, you don't see this every day, guys. Wow. You have mirrors in the inside, so you can see your parts. Weird. Oh, it's a little closet to put shit in. Or stuff in. Nope. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Gotta love it. Wow. Someone went to freaking town. Wow. Oh, there's this yellow room. Interesting. Wow. The pink splatters on the ceiling. Hardwood floors, once again. Wow. Wow. Wowee. Curved archways. Wow. Oh my goodness. Holy guacamole. Wow. They're all the permits. Hardwood floors. Industrial heater right there. The front door. Another heater right there. Take a look at it right quick. Very nice. Very nice. And then you have this. I have no idea what this is. Looks kind of cool. I have no idea what that is. Let's head up upstairs in just a minute. Wow. Something wow a lot, guys. Let's head upstairs. They don't make stairs like this anymore. Now looking down. Very nice, very nice blue wallpaper. Oh, I guess it's a dual kitchen. Or unless they maids. Guys, it's a cute little fan. Wow. And why not? Guys, I know I'm doing this past my own judgment, but I don't really care. That's the attic. Very nice attic. Shelving. Crunch. Hardwood floors. And guys, you know what they also have? They also have a boat out there. We're gonna investigate that in just a minute. Wow. Look at that. That's original. That's original. Oh my God. Okay. Look at this. I wonder where this went to. Wow. Wowee. Shit. Wow. Oh, this one's kind of like inside. Now that's cool. I like that. Okay. Let's go in here. Bathroom. JP Cycles. Nothing in there. Ew. I like the gold. And they have a shower. Yeah, they have a shower. Very cool. Look at the old door handles. Wow. Huh. Interesting. Interesting, I like. Once again, old door flange thingy. Wow. Wow. And yes, guys, we are going to the basement. We are going to the basement. Wow. Oh, that's just a piece of plastic. Wow. Wow. Short people check. Yeah, I'm 5'9", 8-ish, and I can touch the top. There's bathroom. This room. Now let's go into the other room. Look how narrow the hallways are, guys. This is crazy. Oh, look at that light. Looks so fancy. Okay. Purple pink room. Very nice. Wow. I'm not trying to walk heavy, it's just these floors are old and stuff. Wow. Guys, a micro heater. Wow. And guys, do you know where it's time to go now? The basement. Yep, it's time to go to the basement. Land ho, wherever we go. Dun 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 dun. Wherever we I always wanted to look in one of these heaters to see what it looked like, and then we'll go downstairs to the basement. Oh, interesting. Now let's go downstairs. In the basement. Ow, my ears. My hearing holes. Downstairs to Dune. Okay. Let's head downstairs. Oh my god. Short people problems. Tall people problems. Oh. There's a light bulb and it's colored. Wow. 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 Look at Miss Thing. Yes, guys, remember how to get out. I'm not dumb, maybe. These ceilings are so damn low. Oh, fuck. Wow. No, it's plastic, so this house has been modernized a little bit. What's that? A ledge of some sort. Okay, let me continue. I remember I didn't bring my other phone, so my phone just go off and annoy the hell out of me. Wow. Look at the ductwork. There's the stairs up. Going on over here. I wonder what can be in there. There's a shower in here? Bitch, what? What? Holy Jesus Christ. Wait. I'll figure out something. Ow. This was a door. No, we're going in. We're going in. Wow. anything for you guys. Anything for you guys. Wow. This is the door that we're trying to get in. Why didn't it budge? Oh, locked. Wow. Wow, guys. Look at this. Wow. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much inside the house. Now let's go outside. Look at the wood. Look at the wood. Look at the wood. So yeah, guys, let's go outside. But wait. No, that's it. Let's go outside. All right. Back outside in civilization. Finally. Now, let's investigate the boat. I don't know what kind of boat this is. I really don't know. But it seems cool. And stuff like that. Oh yeah, we're going inside. They obviously took the turbines out. So without further ado, let's go up. Okay. This is not what I was expecting. No. I was about to say Cummins. No. Place my ASS here. Is this secure? Good. Is this secure? Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Look at all the old controls. Oh my god! That's how close I'm getting to that. Well, this is what looks like inside a boat. Sorry, I can't speak English today. My English brain is off. And my British brain is on. Now. Throttle response. Wow, this is tipsy-turvy. Yo ho, the pirate's life for me. Oh, they nailed it shut. Damn it. Walk the plank. Trying to figure out how to do this. Got it. So yeah, guys, now I'm gonna go the other way because this is too sketch. How do I open this? This? Excuse me. Coming through. Ow, that's me. No. Ready? Ready? Wait. I fell on my butt. Ooh, what's this? Underground tunnels? What? Okay. Wow, this has been a long adventure. 21 minutes. Which isn't a bad thing. Had fun. That's all that matters. Should we go inside? Go inside? Yeah? Nope. Look at all this stuff. I was gonna make this a second video, but why not? Little trench house. Little trench house. Trench house time. Trench house time for trench house fun. Squeegee. I think we can get in. I'm positive we can get in. I'm almost positive. I'm more than positive. Ooh! Ooh la la! Well, that's what it looks like inside. Nothing too special. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be pretty much all. Be sure. Really? Be sure. Sorry, I can't do my intro. Be sure to tell your friends to subscribe and view.